Hello, in mathematics today, I'm looking at the topic converting whole number to decimal. To convert whole number to decimal, the first thing we do is to identify the number. In this demo, we will be starting with 3000. Step 2. Determine the power of 10 to express 3000 in standard form. We need to find a number between 1 and 10. That 1 multiplied by a power of 10 gives us 3000. Step 3. Move the decimal point. Move the decimal point 3 places to the left. Now moving 3 places to the left for 3000. 3000 has 4 digits. We'll subtract 1 from 4. We have 3. So that is why we're moving the decimal 3 places to the left. For any number you are trying to find, express in decimal, express in standard form. When you're trying to move the decimal, you take the number of digits of that number, then subtract 1 from it. That will tell you the number of places to move to the number of places to move. So for 3000, we're moving 3 places. That's why we have 3.00 times 1000. And multiply 3.00 times 1000, we get 3000. Step 4. Express 1000. This 1000 we got here. Express 1000. This 1000 is what we're expressing. Express 1000 as the power of 10. When we express 1000 as the power of 10, we have 10 raised to the power 3. 10 raised to the power 3 is equal to 1000. Step 5. Write the final expression by putting them together. When we put them together, we have 3000 is equal to 3. This 3 here. 3 that we move to 3 decimal places. 3 times 10 raised to the power 3. This 10 raised to the power 3. That's what we have here. 3 times 10 raised to the power 3. Therefore, 3000 expressed in standard form is equal to 3 times 10 raised to the power 3. Let's take another example. Convert 9,215,000 to standard form. Step 1. Identify the number. We start with the number. This 9,215,000 has 7 figures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 figures. So we'll be subtracting 1 from 7. That will give us 6. Step 2. Determine the power of 10 to express 9,215,000 in standard form. We need to find a number between 1 and 10. And when multiplied by a power of 10 gives us 9,215,000. Step 3. Move the decimal point. Move the decimal point 6 places to the left. We're moving 6 places. Remember that 9,215,000 is 7 digits. So when we subtract 1, we have 6. That's why we're moving the decimal point 6 places to the left. And that's what we have here. 9,215,000 is equal to 9.6 places. You count these figures here now. They are 6. And we move 6 places to the left. Times 100 times this figure. This 1 million times 1 million. So when we've moved to 10 million, we've moved to this times 10 million. So we multiply 9,215,000 by 10 million, we get this. Step 4. Express 10 million as the power of 10. 10 million when expressing as the power of 10 gives us 10 raised to the power 6. Write the final expression by putting them together. By putting them together, we get 9,215,000 is equal to 9.215 times. This is 9.215 times 10 raised to the power 6. This 10 raised to the power 6. Run them together. So we now have 9.215 times 10 raised to the power 6. Therefore, 9,215,000 expressed in standard form is equal to 9.215 times 10 raised to the power 6. Let's take another example. Converting decimal numbers to standard form. We'll be converting whole numbers in their previous examples. Now we want to convert decimal numbers to standard form. To convert 0.0021 to standard form, we need to express it as a number between 1 and 10 multiplied by a power of 10. This involves moving the decimal point to the right until we have a number between 1 and 10, then expressing the movement as a negative power of 10. Let's go through the steps. Step 1. Identify the number. We have the number as 0.0021. Step 2. Move the decimal point 3 places to the right. After the decimal point, you have 4 figures. 4 minus 1, you have 3. That's why I'm moving 3 places to the right to get a number between 1 and 10. So we have 0.0021. That will be giving us is equal to 2.1. We move 3 places to the left, to the right. We move 3 places to the right. 2.1 times 0.001. Express 0.001 as a power of 10. We have 0.001 will now give us 10 raised to power minus 3. 10 raised to power minus 3. Write the final expression by putting them together. 0.0021 is equal to 2.1 times 10 raised to power minus 3. That is our answer. Let's take another example. Therefore, 0.0021 expressed in standard form is equal to 2.1 times 10 raised to power minus 3. Let's take another example. Convert 1752.5 to standard form. Identify the number. The number we want to convert is 1752.5. Step 2. Determine the power of 10 to express 1752.5 in standard form. You need to find a number between 1 and 10. And when multiplied by a power of 10 gives us 1752.5. Step 3. Move the decimal point 3 places to the left. Remember, 1752 has 4 digits. We're not looking at decimal 4 digits before the decimal point. So that's why we're moving 3 places to the left. 4 minus 1. That is why the reason we are moving 3 places to the left. So we have 1.7525 times 1000. That's 4 digits. Express 1000 as a power of 10. When you express 1000 as a power of 10, we have 10 raised to power 3. Step 5. Write the final expression by putting them together. We now have 1.7525. This 1.7525 times 10 raised to power 3. Therefore, 1752.5 expressed in standard form is equal to 1.7525 times 10 raised to power 3. This has brought us to the end of this discussion today on converting numbers to standard form. Let's look at the assessment section. Convert 0.00365 to standard form. Drop your answer in the comment section. That will be all for today. Thank you for watching. See you in our next demo.